감사합니다.
네. 01134459.
네, 감사합니다. 안녕하세요, 제시카입니다. Hi, I'm Jessica. Today we're gonna learn one of the modal verbs. I got to do something, I had to do something and stuff. If it's a 하다 verb, it's gonna be 해야 해요, 해야 돼요. We're gonna check that out today. Let's dive in. 실례합니다. You know what that is. 실례합니다. And then if you say 실례합니다, then the Korean person will say, oh, 네. Okay? And then you want to say, 이 번호로 전화하고. In English, I would like to call this number, but in Korean, 이 번호로. So by this number, with this number, 이 번호로 전화하고 싶어요. 그런데 안 돼요. 안 돼요. What does that mean?
It's not working.
It's not working. 안 돼요 has got a few different meanings, functions actually. But
So when you just say 돼요, like
yeah,
what does it mean?
it's
Like
working.
exactly.
It's working. 돼요.
Okay, it's like okay.
돼요, 안 돼요. 돼요, 안 돼요.
Okay.
Or another meaning could be, another translation could be, I can do it or I cannot do it. Same thing. This is not working or I cannot do it, stuff like that. Yeah. So it's more like functioning. It's instead of being able to or something.
Okay.
In English, can has got many different meanings anyway. So 네, 안 돼요. So in this case, all right. So 안 돼요. And then, can you help me? 좀, remember we learned this before. 좀 can mean what? Little bit. 좀 can mean little bit, right? However, in a command sentence, like, oh, please do this for me, can you do this for me, and stuff like that. 좀 is just a politer nuance to it.
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to say 좀. You can simply say 도와주실 수 있어요? Can you help me? However, if you add 좀 up front, it's more like por favor, please.
Oh, I see.
011에 3444에 5999. 안 돼요? Oh, it's not working? 안 돼요? And then this person is, so this person says, 011에 3444에 5999 안 돼요. 제가 해볼까요? Learned this last time. 뭐뭐 할까요? As shall I, shall we? Remember? So 제가, so that's instead of shall we, it's shall I. We can tell it's I from here. 제가 해볼까요? Shall I do it myself? He goes, 부탁합니다. Yes, please. Okay, so 부탁합니다. And then this person is finally dialing 011, and then you see, oh, you're supposed to press 0 too? So like, oh, 0 눌러야 해요? 누르다, 눌러요. Okay, let me. 누르다. And your form is irregular. 눌러요. 눌러요. Okay? 번호를 누르다. Button. Like you're in an elevator. Okay, so you want to go to, so okay, which floor? 몇 층이요? Then you want to say, oh, please press 5th floor.
눌러주세요.
눌러. 눌러주세요.
눌러주세요.
That's L. 눌러야 해요? This is one of the modal verbs, like have to, should, must, that kind of thing, right? If it's a 하다 verb, 하다, 해요 verb, 해, what's the conjugation? 해야 space, 해요.
해요. Okay.
So you notice this. Oops. So 눌러요 is the your form. So 눌러야 해요? 눌러야 해요? 오, 공 눌러야 해요? Area codes for cell phones, depending on
okay.
depending on the carrier, you know. 네, 하하하. 감사합니다. Okay, all right. 실례합니다.
네.
이 번호로 전화하고 싶은데 안 돼요. 좀 도와주실 수 있어요?
아, 0113445599 안 돼요? 제가 해 볼까요?
네, 부탁합니다.
아, 011344
공 눌러야 해요?
네.
네, 감사합니다.
음.
Okay, that was good. All right, now your turn. 네.
실례합니다.
네.
이 번호로 전화하고 싶어요. 그런데 안 돼요.
안
돼요.
돼요?
음.
011-3444-55 안 돼요? 제가 해 볼까요? 네.
부탁합니다.
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 011-344
눌러야 돼요? 해요?
네.
감사합니다.
천만에요. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye. Thank you so much for learning Korean with me. See you next time. 안녕. 다음에 만나요.